Good morning guys, today's plan is to go to Patong Immigration Office, which is actually only a 15-minute walk from my house, to try to extend the visa that I have for Thailand, because I came here on a visa exemption, which is 30 days visa exemption, where you don't have to apply for the visa if you're coming from Europe. You just get a stamp for a month at the airport in Thailand, and it's just very easy. I'll tell you all the prices and everything you need once I get there. I am pretty sure I will need to take some photocopies of my passport, of my visa stamp, take a picture of my face also, and I can do it all at the immigration office for a fee. I'll tell you how much it is. The Patong Immigration Office also closes at around midday, so I actually waited, and I'm going to go right now because it's like 20 to 1 and it's only a 15-minute walk, so I'm going to walk there now because it should reopen at 1. Hello! Just got a pancake on my way. It was a very quick and easy process at the immigration office. I hope you can hear me because Patong, as always, is very loud and we are by the main road. I came in, I had no idea what I needed to prepare or anything. They gave me a form straight away to fill out with all the personal details. They do require a picture and actually 3 photocopies. One of your passport staged with your picture, one of the picture of your visa stamp, and one of this little tiny paper that they give you. I'm not even sure what it's called, but I'm going to insert it here. And that's very important because I nearly lost mine, because they give you like this small piece of immigration paper on your arrival to Thailand, and it's tiny and I didn't think much of it, and thankfully I didn't lose it, but I was that close to losing it. So actually it doesn't cost that much to get everything here. I think it's 100 baht each to get these documents sorted, and in the end, for my 30-day visa extension, including the photocopies and including my picture being taken there, I paid exactly 2,200 baht for everything. 30-day visa extension, picture, all the needed photocopies. I think it's pretty affordable, to be honest, to get your visa extended. I think in other countries you would pay a lot more. It was a very quick process. They literally took my pictures. There was quite a few people at the immigration office, yet it was totally fine. Like, I got everything done within less than 20 minutes. But now I'm waiting another 20 minutes for them to get my passport ready. I think they're going to staple my passport, which I'm not very happy about. I don't know, I've never heard of people putting staples on your passport. But maybe I just haven't traveled too much in Asia, that's why. I'm excited. I have no plans for the next 30 days. But I think now I can relax more and actually be more open to trying out new things, exploring new areas and seeing where life takes me, and spending one more month in the paradise before going back to Europe. You can see I'm right by the Phuket Immigration in Patong. So quick and easy, only a 15-minute walk from my hotel. Waiting for 20 minutes to get my passport back.